Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to reset your iPhone 14 Pro. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Hold it till you see the Apple logo, and once you see the Apple logo, you can then let go. This is probably going to be the quickest 30 seconds of your guys' life. Some would even say this video is faster than me. You can let go. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers, so let's hit it. And there you guys go, your phone's been resetted.